A bustling cafe in the city.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there.
It's okay. Accidents happen. Laughs. Maybe it's a sign for us to meet.
I hope not under such embarrassing circumstances. Can I buy you another coffee to make up for it?
The same cafe a few weeks later.
So, tell me more about your family, Ethan.
It's just me and my mom. She's the strongest woman I know. Raised me all on her own.
She must be amazing. I'd love to meet her someday.
A quiet park in the evening.
So, Ethan, when are you going to tell Sophia you're in love with her?
I can't, Ben. She's from a different world. Her father would never approve.
But you'll never know if you don't try.
Sophia's luxurious home.
Sophia, I heard you've been spending a lot of time with that boy, Ethan. He's not suitable for you.
Dad, you don't even know him. He's kind and genuine, unlike the people you want me to be with.
Your father just wants what's best for you, dear.
A cozy rooftop with a view of the city lights.
Thank you for tonight. It's beautiful up here.
Not as beautiful as you. You always know what to say.
Outside Sophia's home, late at night.
Stay away from my daughter. You'll never be good enough for her. I love her, sir. I won't give up that easily.
We'll see about that.
Ethan's modest apartment.
Sophia, your father threatened my job. I can't let you suffer because of me.
We can find a way, Ethan. Don't let him control our lives.
Lucy's apartment.
Don't worry, girl. True love always finds a way. We'll figure this out together.
You're right. I'm not giving up on us.
Ben's garage.
I have a plan. What if you two just elope? Your love is what matters most.
It's risky, but maybe it's the only way.
A small chapel out of town.
Are you sure about this, Sophia?
More than anything, I want to be with you, no matter what.
Mr. Carter's office.
They what? Eloped? Find them now. Let them be, dear. They love each other. Isn't that enough?
A few months later, Ethan and Sophia's new home.
I see now that nothing will stop your love. If you're happy, that's all that matters.
Thank you, Dad. This means the world to us.
We'll prove to you that love can conquer all odds.
I believe you already have. Welcome to the family, Ethan.